banks and keeping money in bank, that is very safe for us. Okay. First of all, safety reason. Second, whenever we deposit the money in bank, so before depositing money, bank employee, they make bank account for their customers. We are customers of bank. If I have to deposit money in bank, okay, so first I have to open a bank account. So bank employees, they make bank account for us. Okay, and these bank account they make on computer. Bank account. Okay. Bank employee, they make bank account on computer. First of all, create bank account, created. Then bank accounts maintenance. Maintenance also. They maintain means every time this bank account, it has to be maintained. How much money is deposited, how much customer had withdrawn. Okay, so this type of transaction, its record, they keep with the bank account number. Okay, so the maintenance and creation of bank account they do with the help of computer. Deposit money and withdraw money. This is also done through computer. So for this, there is a ATM machine. Okay, ATM is also a sort of computer. Okay, inside that ATM machine there is a computer which keeps record how much money we are taking out, how much money we are depositing. So computers are used in bank for making bank account. Okay, to maintain bank account, keep record of deposits money and withdrawal money. Okay, so these are uses of computer in bank. Understood? Okay, now next is office. In offices also, office employee, they use computer. Okay, they use computer to create text document. Okay, create documents. In offices, office employee, they create documents first of all, then send and receive messages. You can say email. Send and receive email. Okay, if they have to exchange messages, so for this they use computer. Office employees, okay, sending and receiving messaging they do through computer, creating text document through computer, then printing document. Not only creating, they print out also those documents through computer. Okay, so these are uses of computer in office. Okay, turn page. Now next is hotel and restaurant. So all of you know, in hotel, when we go to hotel, so reception counter. Okay, so receptionist, she keeps a computer on her table. Okay, and there she keeps record. Okay, record of customer, which customer has come, what time customer has come in. Okay, check-in time, then what time customer is going out, check-out time. Okay, so all these things they keep these things record, they keep in computer. Okay, customers record. First of all, where? In hotel. Where? In hotel. Hotels and restaurants. Now we are going to talk about hotels and restaurants. Okay, so here to keep customers record. Okay, what is the name of customer? Its address, then its a telephone number, they keep in computer. Then what is check-in time, what is check-out time, all those records they keep in computer. Then they prepare bills. Okay, printing bills. Okay, in hotel and restaurant, keeping customers record and for printing bills. Okay, these are uses of computer in hotel and restaurant. Understood? Okay. So whenever you go to the hotel, so you will see that receptionist, she use computer, and here in this picture also you can see she is receptionist using her computer and customer is standing in front of her. Okay, so all details she is recording in her computer. Clear? Now next. Next is shops and malls. Shops and malls, here also. Here too. What is the use? First of all, shopkeeper, they keep all the items record they have in their shop, no? Or if it is a mall. So in mall there are thousands of items they keep, okay, to sell. So these items record they keep in computer. Okay. What amount of different items they keep now, like everyday use things they keep in mall. Okay. So all sort of things record they keep in computer first of all. Okay. Items record. Selling items record. First. Okay. After this, printing bills. Here also. Shopkeeper, okay, gives us bill. So that bill they make through computer. They make through computer. Clear? Creating and printing bills and keeping the record of all the items of shop. So these are two uses of computer in shop and malls. Clear? These are uses of computer. Okay. Now, next is airport and railway station. Here also you see railway stations employed, or you go to the airport employees. They use computer. Okay. So if you have to travel somewhere, so you need, if you are going through train or going through flight, so you need a ticket. Okay. Reservation ticket, it is called reservation ticket, to reserve seats. Clear? So reservation ticket they make through computer first of all. Then if you suppose you are going to cancel that program, you are not going to travel. Okay. So cancellation ticket, reservation ticket and cancellation ticket. These employees they make on computer. Okay, cancellation and reservation ticket they make on computer. Clear? Then here I am writing reservation ticket and cancellation ticket. two tickets they make on computer. Then next is arrival time and departure time. Arrival time means what time train is coming to the platform, or what time flight aeroplane is coming at aerodrome. Okay, arrival time. Then departure time means when train will leave platform. Okay, that is called departure time. So these departure time and arrival times record, they get through computer. Arrival time and departure time. Understood? Clear now? Arrival time and departure time of aeroplane or of train. Employees, they get through the computer. Clear? Then it is written tracking location. Tracking location means at what place train is moving on. Okay. So it can be tracked through computer. Okay. Then in sky, where it's moving in sky, aeroplane where it's moving in the sky, no? So that can be tracked through computer. Means location of train and location of aeroplane can be tracked through computer. Okay. So tracking location. Tracking location. Reservation ticket and cancellation ticket, these are made on computer by employees. Arrival time and departure time of aeroplane and train, they get through computer. Then tracking location of train and aeroplane can be done through computer. Clear? So there are different uses of computer at different places. Understood now? Airport and railway station we are seeing. Now is police station. Okay. So police station, whom do you see at police station? Two people. One policeman and criminals. Okay. These two type of people you can see at police station. So in police station, no, policeman, they keep record of criminals. They keep record of criminals. Keep record of criminals. Okay. So their fingerprints record. Okay, their name, address, telephone number, they keep in computer. Yeah. Okay. They draw sketches of criminal. So all this type of record, no, they keep in computer, and to track criminals, where the criminal is running. Okay, at what place now criminal it's living. Okay. So all these things can be tracked through computer. Okay. So there are various use of computer. Okay. Tracking criminal. Tracking criminal. In many films, movies, you would have seen, where policemen, CBI police, okay, they can locate in which place this criminal is running or living, isn't it? So this is called tracking of criminals. Then drawing sketches, then keeping the fingerprints record and other records also, many type of records they keep in their computer. Okay, so computer is very useful in police station. Clear? Now next is scientific research. Scientists they use computer for research work. Okay. Scientists use computer for research work. Okay. Nowadays you would have heard about the corona disease. Okay. Coronavirus. It's a new type of virus came in society. Okay. So now scientists they are looking for the treatment. How can it means they are looking for vaccine. They are doing research for making a vaccine which can help us cure this disease. Okay. So scientists they do research work. Okay. Several type of research work they do on computer. So this computer is very useful for them. Okay. Especially for the research work which they do on computer. For treatment or many type of research work they do. So recent example it is a coronavirus disease. So they are looking for they are just trying to make a vaccine, medicine to cure from this disease. Okay. So research work they do. Then scientists not only do this type of research work for viruses, they also use computer for launching and controlling. Launching and controlling what? Number one, satellites. Satellites which will launch into space. They launch into the space. Yeah. Satellite it moves around the earth. Okay. So scientists they use computer for launching and to control. Okay, when it is launched, when it goes into the space. Okay, when satellite takes its place in space. Okay, so after that it needs control. So control scientists they control these satellites through computer. Clear? So launching and controlling. First of all, satellite. Second is missiles also. Missiles. Scientists they make missiles. Okay. Missiles it's a war weapon. Okay. Nuclear weapon it is. So when war happens, war occurs. So these missiles are used. So to launch these missiles to other countries, scientists they use computer. Okay, and for controlling, for maintenance of satellite and these missiles, they use computer. Yeah. So satellites, rockets. Okay. Rockets are used to launch satellite into space. For launching rocket, for launching satellite, and for launching missiles. Yeah. Rockets are used to launch satellite into space with the help of rocket. Satellite goes into space. Okay. So both things goes together, satellite and rocket. Yeah. Into space. So with the help of computer. With the help of computer. Clear, no? Next is filmmaking. Filmmaking. Filmmakers, they use computer. Filmmakers, they use computer. Okay. For making animation films. Animated films, generally children, they watch animation films like Bhim, Jaiman, these types of Doraemon, okay, animated movies. So animated movies, they are created on computer. Understand? Animated movies. So, and the next is movies they make with the help of computer. Through camera, first of all, they create scenes, okay. Through camera they make film, and after making film, no, they do editing. Which part they need, which part they don't need in film, no. So whichever part they don't need, they cut it, okay. Whichever it is needed, and then special effects like different type of sounds, okay, different types of light effects they use it in movies, no. So all those things can be added, light effects or sound effects, through the computer. And if any animation is needed, so that also can be put through computer in the movie. Okay. So filmmakers also use computer in film making. Yeah. Next is designing. Designing, designing engineers. Engineers, they design machines. Okay. Engineer designs machines. Machine like car, bus. Okay. So these machines they design on computer first of all. Then architects are there. Okay. Architect, they design buildings. Yeah. Buildings, houses, dam. Okay. So architect, they design house on computer, and engineers, they design machines on computer. And fashion designers. Fashion designers. So they use computer to design clothes. To design clothes. Understood? In designing field, no, computer it is used. Computer is used in designing field. So designing can be of clothes or of building or of machine. Okay. So computer is used for this. Engineers, they design machines like car, bus. Architect, they design building like house or a dam, this type of things. Then fashion designer, they design clothes. Okay, press this. Here in this picture you can see this girl, she is an engineer, so she is designing a car. And here this man is an architect, so he is designing a building. Okay, so through this picture you can understand it. And in filmmaking, this man he is capturing this scene, okay, through the computer. So in filmmaking also computers are used, and designing field computers are used. Yeah. And nowadays, turn page. Impact of computer. So computer it is extensively used in society. Okay, everywhere you see people, they use computer, they use mobile phone. So in this picture here you can see. Nowadays, no, we don't need these things because all these things are available on computer. If you want to do drawing, no, so drawing book is not needed. This drawing book, it is not needed because we have MS Paint program. Okay, so colors are also not needed, this color box, because in MS Paint program there are already so many colors. digital colors are there. Okay, so for playing games, so many computer games are there, popular computer games. So these things now been replaces. Understood? These things place computer has taken. Now calendar it is available on computer. Nowadays we don't use these letters. Okay, post office nowadays nobody goes to the post office to send letters, isn't it? Because email, messages, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, all these we have, they are available. So this thing is not needed. Then calculator on mobile phone, there is calculator program. Computer, there is calculator program to calculate. Okay, so this is also not needed. Time you can watch on your mobile phone and on computer. Okay, dictionary, we don't keep dictionary also because whichever words meaning you want to know. So there is electronic dictionary in our mobile phone, in our computer we have. So these things now gradually replacing, okay, removing from the society. So these are some advantages of computer. Okay, several uses, the various uses of computer nowadays. Even now modern life, we cannot imagine without a computer. So there is a huge impact of computer in human life, isn't it? So this is the chapter we have done. Clear? So next video we will start a new chapter. Okay. Do your homework, learn your question answers, and in upcoming days I will take your class test. Okay, so prepare your first chapter for class test. Okay. Bye.